Hello, my paper peeps. Today I want to share with you another Friday flip through of one of the journals or scrapbooks that I created years ago. As you can tell, there's letters missing. It's supposed to say Baby Bex on it. Yeah, this is old, but you know what? I'm hoping you gain some inspiration from what you see here and maybe spark some creativity or get those creative juices flowing. So let's get started. Now let's start from the beginning here. As you can see here, the binding system was an afterthought. It seems like in a lot of my journals, the binding system is an afterthought. I get so excited about creating something and then I'm like, oh crap, I had to put something together so it doesn't fly open. Anyways, this is pretty much just all thread, some leather cord that I put together, and I bound it to this book with these. These are Tim Holtz for sure. And these are just I don't even know what they are. They're like screw-on kind of metal knobbies, but I don't think they're not meant for this binding system at all. I just repurposed and just tried to figure out how I'd use them. But anyways, I'll take that off. You can see there. Yeah, it does not go through to the other side, so I wish I could tell you where I bought that, but most likely anything metal that are on my books is from Tim Holtz. Now on this side, the binding system here, that was from some wallpaper. Extra wallpaper that was left over from building the home. So, and then this is some scrapbook paper. And now what this is made out of, if you can see here, these are lunch bags. Those old brown lunch bags that no one uses anymore. I think Safeway has come back with using large paper bags, so that look and feel. But that's what this is here. And I made it so that, you know, they attached to the book this way. And I'm going to have to do a video on this because the binding system's a little complicated here, but this is it right here. And then you can see just opening up the pages or the bag itself. There's inserts that supposed to have some, for some photos, extra photos or text. And this is me embellishing with lots of metal. I love my metal. What I like here, and I think I'm gonna have to use this again, is this whole idea of, look at that chain. It's like a chain link here where, you know, I've attached it here with a brad, and here's the tag so you'll never lose the tag. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so here we go. Here is, because I have not seen this done in such a long time, here is something to add to your junk journals, is this whole idea of this chain link here that holds your tag and you never lose it. Because I guarantee you, I lose a lot of my tags. Someone goes through my journals and they're like, oh, look at how beautiful this is, and tags go flying out of it and I don't know where it goes. And so I'm sure, oh, look at my son sleeping on his face. Darn kid. Anyways, so yeah, and then here are those flowers again that I used probably, I don't even know. I don't even know what I used on here. Speaking of tags falling out, this is, oh my goodness. Okay, no, it just came out of this bag. Okay. Oh yeah, it came out of here. So here back then I really loved using these plastic sleeves that they used for business cards back in the day. I just cut them out of the book and I used them as a tag or as a tag holder. These are not die cuts. I actually just used those flowers that you can buy from the craft store, and I just painted them. Added, they are the colors that they are, but then just added a little bit of shimmer to it just to give it a little bit more body and dimension. Okay, there's my little baby. And I just, now this is interesting. These are those acrylic ephemera plates that I was talking about, and then I would just place glossy accents on it, or on some kind of cardstock, press into it, and then you'd have this image underneath that acrylic plate. And here I actually used it as a tag holder. Oh my goodness, genius. Okay, another thing I need to start doing again. Forgot about that. And then sometimes I just, you know what? Sometimes negative space is good. Like this was from the paper line. I didn't do anything to it, and I thought, oh, that's really nice, just the way it is. So, and then here's some, just more inserts with photos. Now this is interesting. Those metal binding plates here to hold two of the paper bags together, which I thought was kind of neat. That's interesting. Just again, just letting the paper speak for itself. I did nothing to this. It's just the paper itself. So reasons to smile. I guess I have no reasons to smile. I have many. I just, again, didn't finish completing this album. Again, more of those pre-made synthetic flowers. I went back into my craft stash and I realized what I used here were, I used Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, these flowers are not die cutted, they're synthetic, and I just used these glimmer mists to just add a little bit more shimmer and dimension. And if anyone knows what is comparable to the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, I'm sure they don't sell these anymore. That same kind of shimmery look, can you let me know so that I can use that again in some of my crafting. And then here I did one of those, I don't even know what you call this. It's not a waterfall. It's one of those kind of photo slider type things. And do I remember how to make this? No, I don't. This one you're gonna have to Google because I have no idea how I made that. But yeah, that one was fun to put that system in this book. I really hope that this flip through gave you some interesting ideas for your next junk journal or scrapbook journal. And yeah, craft away, enjoy the process. Now, if you're interested in more scrapbooking or junk journaling techniques, then you'll probably want to watch this playlist here because I actually have a ton of these scrapbooks and journals, these flip throughs where I go through all the techniques I used. So until then, take care, have a fantastic week, and we will see you in those other videos. Bye.